What's going on? I just took the exhaust off my 2021 Renegade XMR 1000, and we're putting on a big gun exhaust that I made up and fabricated. It's gonna be basically like a slip-on, like Empire and stuff like that. But I took the muffler off right now, and then I'm about to slip the pipe on and make sure everything's right. Once I get it tacked up, I'll just pick it back up, and then but anyway, yeah, let's start it up. See what it sounds like straight pipe. You gotta stop. You gotta stop.